Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dudes Tech. Today, we're taking a look at the best mini dash cam that brings powerful recording, smart features, and reliable protection to your car. If you want clear footage and peace of mind on every drive, this one is worth checking out. Let's get started. The DDPi Z50 Pro Mini Dash Cam is designed to give you full coverage and confidence while driving. It comes with a dual camera setup that records in 4K at the front and 1080p at the rear. This means you can capture sharp and detailed footage from both directions at the same time. The wide viewing angles also help a lot, allowing the front camera to cover more of the road and the rear camera to capture what is happening behind your vehicle without missing important details. One of the standout features of the DDPi Z50 Pro Mini Dash Cam is its advanced night vision. With AI ISP enhancement and f1.8 aperture and a 6-glass lens design, the camera performs really well in low-light conditions. NightVis 2.0 technology further improves clarity, so even in dark environments, you still get bright and usable footage. This makes a big difference when driving at night or in poorly lit areas. Speed and connectivity are also impressive here. The DDPi Z50 Pro Mini Dash Cam uses fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6, which allows you to transfer files quickly to your phone. With speeds up to 13 megabytes per second, you do not have to wait long to view or download your videos. The DDPi app makes everything simple, letting you watch, save, and share clips easily right from your device. Another smart feature is the built-in 4G remote monitoring. With this, you can check your car from anywhere and receive instant alerts if something unusual happens. It also supports cloud backup, so your important recordings stay safe, even if something happens to the camera itself. The DDPi Z50 Pro Mini Dash Cam also includes time-lapse recording, which helps save storage space while still keeping track of long periods. The G sensor detects sudden impacts and automatically locks important footage so it does not get overwritten. On top of that, the 48-hour parking monitoring keeps an eye on your vehicle even when you are not around, adding an extra layer of security. Storage and reliability are also well handled. The dashcam supports loop recording and can handle up to 512 gigabytes of storage, giving you plenty of space for your recordings. It uses a supercapacitor instead of a traditional battery, which improves heat resistance and ensures long-term performance, especially in hot environments. Built-in GPS is another useful addition. The DDPi Z50 Pro Mini Dash Cam records your route, speed, and location, which can be helpful for tracking trips or reviewing specific moments. It also includes ADAS features that provide smart alerts while driving, helping you stay more aware on the road. The design is compact and practical. Installation is quick with a simple suction mount, and the 3-inch display makes it easy to adjust settings or playback footage directly on the device. It fits neatly in your car without blocking your view, keeping everything clean and organized. Overall, the DDPi Z50 Pro Mini Dash Cam brings together high-quality recording, smart safety features, and easy connectivity in a compact design. It is built to keep your driving experience safe, smooth, and well-documented. This one is packed with smart features. Check the price link in the description and see it for yourself. Like and subscribe to Dudes Tech for more awesome tech content.